Hi, today our group want to share 5 easy recipe Ramadan. So please watch this video and enjoy. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to make a sandwich egg. Okay, now firstly I take a slice of bread and I cut the brown sides the bread. Okay, like this. And then I take the egg and I match the egg. Okay, like this. And then I'm gonna take butter and I put on the slice of bread. Like this. Okay, I took mayonnaise and put on the egg, and then I take black pepper and I mix it like this, and then I put the egg on the bread. Okay, so finish. I already finished. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, so I have here some garlic, some ginger, some chopped onion, chopped tomato, ground chili, oyster sauce, fish sauce, chili sauce, chopped of pineapple, chopped of carrot, and last but not least, coconut sugar. That's all. Okay, first we have to heat the oil. Okay, firstly we have to put garlic, ginger, and the chopped onion. Heat the oil to our fish. Okay, you have to put our fish inside. Yeah. Okay, and then we have to put our ground chili. Okay, and then now we have to put our chopped tomato, oyster sauce, and chili sauce, fish sauce. Okay, and then we mix it together until the tomato and the sauce mix well. Okay, and then we have butter tumbah, put it inside for a better taste. Okay. Okay, and then we have to put our chopped pineapple. Okay, and then our chopped carrot in here. Okay, now we have to put some water. Okay, and then we have to put our coconut sugar. Cook it for a while. Stir it. Okay, and then we have to close. And then put a little bit of salt. Okay, so now we will put our sour sauce. The color of our plate today is ikan siakap or saur. So on top of our fish, this. It's done, guys. Ikan siakap sweet sour ala time. It's done.
Okay, for the dessert, I will show you how to make Oreo ice cream, which is just need 2 ingredients. First, strawberry milk and also Oreo cookies. Okay, for the first step, the cookies need to be crunched, so we can just like this. Okay, after that I will put the Oreo inside the cup. After we put the cookies inside the cup, we pour some milk into it. And put it into the fridge for a day. Okay, this is after 1 day in the fridge. So yummy.
Okay, what's preparation? Come, I will explain to you. First, the ingredient that I use is 2 packets of noodle that ready boiled. Then for the seafood, I choose fish ball, prawn, that boiled, and crab stick. You can also add squid if you like. And for the vegetables, I choose carrots, tomatoes, and salad. Next, for the mac sauce preparation, I use 1 packet of seasoning powder, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, and lime juice. Then stir well. After that, pour into a bowl of noodles and mix well. Ta-da! And don't forget to put coriander leaf. Thank you. Eat delicious and healthy also.
I'm Siti SOLLEHAH binti Muhammad AKHIR. Let's go to our last recipe.
For the drink is air jagung viral. First, we need to prepare half jug of hot drink water. Okay, next, we need to put sweetening creamer. I use half of tin. Next is evaporated creamer. I use only quarter of tin. Next is sweet corn. I use only 4 spoons. If you want to add some more, it's okay. You can follow your own taste. Oh yeah, don't forget to stir it while you put these ingredients in this water. Okay, next is corn flavored drink base. You can use only 5 to 7 spoons only, or it's up to you if you want to add some more. Okay, stir it again. Okay, the last one is one bottle cap of rose flavored drink base, and then stir it again. Okay, done. Eat more fresh if you drink this air jagung viral with ice cube. That's all the recipe from us in first day Ramadan. Hopefully, it can give you ideas what to cook during Ramadans. Thank you for watching our video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and bye!